Let's get it.
Ходит зима, сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. Меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Белым вьюга, думаю, кровь. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит и брань. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Саваном белым вьюга.
Come on. Listen, Diana wins because she put subtitles, alright? But comparing them, man, these guys are just phenomenal. Listen, there's no winner, there's no loser. These guys are both phenomenal artists with phenomenal versions of this song. I love reacting to it. I'm grateful in this one, at least I had the subtitles to understand what they're saying. Man, it's a very beautiful song. Somewhere out there you're sleeping without me and the snowstorm covers me, you'll never understand. Damn, come on, who says that? But yeah, I knew it was a love story, it was a love song. Yeah, pretty awesome. Listen, yeah, let me know which other Diana songs or Paulina songs you'd like me to react to. With I say, thank you guys for the support. I'll see you in the next one.